Last year you were managing, bills were getting paid, work felt stable enough. Then everything shifted at once. A job ended, a business slowed down, medical costs showed up, a relationship changed. Within months, the savings account was almost empty. Collection notices started arriving, sleep became harder. If you are a working family or a young professional in the United States facing this situation, rebuilding is possible, and it follows a clear order. The first stage is full awareness. Sit down with every financial statement from the last 60 days. Bank accounts, outstanding payment balances, utility bills, service agreements, subscription services. Write down exact numbers. Total income now. Total required payments. Total outstanding balances. Many households in states like Texas, Ohio, and Florida avoid this step because it feels heavy. Clarity removes confusion. Confusion feeds fear. Next, separate essentials from non-essentials. Essentials include housing payments, electricity, water, basic groceries, transportation needed for work, and basic health coverage arrangements. Everything else is secondary. Pause streaming platforms, gym memberships, extra data plans, software renewals, and automatic deliveries that are not critical. Families often free several $100s per month simply by stopping unused services. Housing requires immediate attention because it carries the largest risk. Contact the Housing Payment Office directly and ask about hardship assistance programs or temporary payment arrangements. Many housing providers across the United States maintain formal policies for income disruption. Early communication keeps the account active and reduces the chance of legal action. Now stabilize income quickly. Do not wait for the perfect opportunity. Warehouses, distribution centers, healthcare support roles, grocery supply chains, and local service companies hire continuously in many regions including Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Arizona, and Georgia. The objective is steady weekly income within 30 days. A reliable paycheck reduces pressure and buys time. Young professionals often hesitate to take temporary roles outside their career path. During recovery, stability matters more than job title. Consistent cash flow protects your foundation while you plan the next step. Once income begins again, structure it carefully. Open a separate checking account dedicated only to income deposits. From that account, transfer a fixed weekly allowance into a spending account. This system prevents accidental overspending and provides clear visibility. Working families who follow this method often regain control faster because every dollar has direction. Now build a basic survival cushion. Calculate 1 month of essential expenses only. If essentials total $3,000, that becomes your first savings target. Direct a set amount from every paycheck into this reserve until it is complete. Even small amounts build progress. This 1-month cushion protects against sudden car repairs or short work interruptions. Medical bills frequently follow financial collapse. Contact healthcare billing departments and request structured payment plans. Many hospitals in the United States offer monthly arrangements based on income levels. Taking action early prevents additional fees and protects your financial record. Transportation costs deserve review. Outside of New York City, most Americans require a vehicle to work. Compare auto coverage rates from multiple major providers. Adjust protection levels to match your situation. Reviewing deductibles and coverage options responsibly can reduce monthly strain. Food spending becomes manageable with planning. Plan meals weekly. Purchase based on a list. Limit impulse buys. Families in Michigan and Tennessee who plan meals often lower grocery costs without sacrificing nutrition. Small savings across categories rebuild momentum. Track progress weekly. Every Sunday evening, review total income received, total spent, and total saved. This 15-minute habit strengthens awareness. Many households never review numbers weekly, which allows problems to grow quietly. For working families with children, involve your partner in weekly reviews. Shared awareness prevents misunderstanding and builds teamwork. For young professionals living alone, accountability may come from a trusted friend or mentor who understands your goals. Choose one skill that can raise income within 6 months. Examples include commercial driving certification, medical billing training, HVAC support, coding boot camps, bookkeeping services, or dispatch coordination. Community colleges in states such as Colorado and Illinois offer short-term programs aligned with local job demand. Research directly from official college websites. Select programs with clear job placement data. Avoid lifestyle upgrades during rebuilding. Extra overtime pay or bonuses should strengthen savings. Stability grows when spending remains controlled during income growth. Review all service agreements and recurring financial commitments. Ensure each expense reflects your current needs. Overpaying strains recovery. Overcommitting increases risk. Request updated quotes and compare carefully. Recovery takes time. 3 consistent months change direction. 6 months restore breathing room. 1 year rebuilds confidence. A total collapse feels overwhelming because everything changes at once. Rebuilding works differently. It improves 1 layer at a time. Clear numbers, stable income, 1-month reserve, skill improvement, weekly tracking. In the next section, the focus shifts from stabilization to structured growth. Survival keeps you standing. Growth builds strength that lasts for decades. You are rebuilding with experience, and experience provides insight that many never gain. The foundation you lay now determines how strong your financial life becomes in the years ahead. Once 1 month of essential expenses is saved and income is consistent, the next phase begins. This phase separates temporary recovery from long-term strength. Start by increasing the reliability of your main income. Working families and young professionals often aim for dramatic career changes immediately after stabilizing. A measured approach produces stronger results. Improve your position within your current field first. If you work in logistics in Texas, pursue supervisory training or inventory management certification. If you are in healthcare support in Florida, explore additional credentials that increase hourly pay. Community colleges in states like Michigan and Arizona offer certificate programs in medical billing, HVAC repair, information technology support, and commercial driving. Many of these programs take less than 1 year and align with regional hiring needs. Research labor demand in your state using official workforce websites. Focus on fields showing steady growth rather than temporary trends. Steady demand reduces future disruption. After strengthening primary income, introduce one structured secondary stream. Keep it manageable. Remote customer service, bookkeeping for small businesses, tutoring, translation, dispatch services, or digital support roles are realistic options across the United States. Schedule fixed weekly hours. Protect rest and family time. Sustainability matters. As income grows, divide surplus funds into 3 clear categories. First, expand your emergency reserve from 1 month to 3 months of essential expenses. In higher cost areas such as California or New York City, aim for 6 months. In lower cost regions like Oklahoma or Alabama, 3 to 4 months may be sufficient. A larger reserve shields you from layoffs or unexpected health events. Second, continue investing in skill development. The American labor market rewards specialization. A technician with advanced certification gains access to higher-paying roles. A professional with project management training becomes eligible for leadership positions. Continuous learning strengthens income security. Third, begin long-term wealth building. If your employer offers additional compensation growth opportunities, such as performance-based raises or skill-based pay increases, position yourself to qualify fully. Structured income growth strengthens savings automatically. If you do not have access to employer-based long-term savings structures, build your own disciplined investment pathway using a self-directed brokerage account that allows full control over asset selection. Select equity-based investments aligned with productive business ownership and avoid fixed income instruments. Set automatic monthly contributions. Automation removes hesitation. For families planning home ownership again, prepare carefully. Maintain stable income for at least 12 consecutive months. Preserve full emergency reserves. Research state housing agency programs for first-time buyers and down payment assistance. Compare housing financing terms from multiple providers and evaluate total cost over time. Responsible planning prevents repeat collapse. Income protection grows in importance as earnings increase. Reliable health coverage arrangements, responsible vehicle protection, and structured income backup planning protect your ability to earn. Income is your strongest asset during working years. Financial record rebuilding requires consistent on-time payments and responsible usage levels. Check your consumer report annually through authorized services. Address inaccuracies through formal disputes and keep documentation. Lifestyle control remains essential. When income rises, avoid immediate upgrades in housing or vehicles. Allow your savings and investments to strengthen first. Stability built slowly lasts longer. Consider a realistic example. A working couple in Phoenix experienced job loss and medical bills within the same year. They secured warehouse and healthcare support roles quickly. They tracked expenses weekly and saved 1 month of essentials within 6 months. They pursued certifications in logistics coordination and medical billing. Income increased gradually. After 2 years, they maintained 4 months of reserves and contributed consistently to retirement accounts. Their recovery followed structure and discipline. Networking supports growth. Join professional associations related to your field. Attend local industry events. Build relationships intentionally. Many opportunities in the United States arise from trusted referrals rather than online applications alone. Organize tax records carefully as income increases. Keep documentation of earnings, certifications, and deductible expenses. Seek qualified tax preparation assistance when needed. Accurate filing prevents future complications. Families with children may begin structured education savings using 529 plans. Small automatic monthly contributions grow steadily and provide long-term support. Keep essential documents organized. Store identification, service agreements, bank information, and employment records securely. Preparation reduces stress during emergencies. Technology can support discipline. Budgeting applications, automatic savings transfers, and spending alerts increase awareness. Choose simple systems that match your habits. If a side income grows consistently for 12 months, evaluate it carefully. Study demand, operational costs, pricing structure, and long-term sustainability. Transition gradually while maintaining income stability. Geographic flexibility can open opportunity. Texas continues to support logistics and energy sectors. Washington offers technology roles. Florida maintains strong healthcare demand. Compare housing costs, job availability, and state taxes before relocating. Investment discipline remains crucial. Focus on diversified long-term participation rather than rapid trading. Historical patterns in the United States show that patient long-term investing supports steady wealth growth. Conduct annual financial reviews. Compare income growth, reserve levels, retirement contributions, and payment reductions. Written evaluation maintains direction and accountability. Teach financial habits within your household. Explain budgeting, saving, and investing to children. Shared knowledge builds generational stability. Prepare for economic cycles before they arrive. Maintain strong reserves and diversified income streams. Upgrade skills regularly. Prepared households recover faster during downturns. Over time, the collapse that once felt overwhelming becomes a turning point. Working families and young professionals across America often describe their most disciplined habits forming during recovery periods. Difficulty shapes structure. Your rebuilding journey reshapes identity. You become organized, steady, and proactive. Weekly reviews become routine. Savings grow quietly. Income strengthens through skill and consistency. Continue tracking weekly. Continue learning quarterly. Continue reviewing annually. A collapse is a chapter, not the entire story. The system you build now will support you, your family, and your future with strength and stability for decades to come.